Hello friends, so today we are going to set up our Spring framework with Eclipse IDE by using Apache Tomcat server. So for this we need to download the Apache Tomcat server and Eclipse IDE. So first we will go to the Google and type Eclipse download to download the Eclipse IDE. And here we have got the first link itself for Eclipse IDE. So we will go to this link by clicking on it. Then we need to come down, and here we will see a download button for Eclipse IDE. So this download x8664 will download the Eclipse IDE and we can install it. So next we need Apache Tomcat server. So for this we need to go to tomcat.apache.org. So here we will get our Tomcat server in the left side download options. So here we need to select the different version. So whichever version we need to download, we will select that. So we need Tomcat 7. So to download the Tomcat 7, just go down and download this zip file inside the core. So by clicking on it, it will get downloaded. So after getting it downloaded, we need to save it in our computer. So I have saved it inside the download folder by the Apache. You can save it like wherever you want to save. So it will get downloaded. It's a 9 MB file only. So by downloading, go to the Apache folder, then right click on this zip folder, right click on this zip. So extract to Apache. We are extracting it to the Apache folder. So after successfully extraction, we just go inside the folder and we need to copy this Apache Tomcat 7.0.108. So we have copied it. So after copying, we need to go to C drive and we have to paste that folder here, like I have pasted Apache Tomcat 7.0. So after this thing has done, we need to go to our Eclipse IDE, and there first we need to check if any predefined server is there or not. If it is there, we need to delete it. So we can check it like Windows, show view, and then server. So if it is not there, we can directly go to preferences in Windows, and in the preferences we need to search for the server. So here is the server and run or debug, and we need to go to runtime environment under server. So here one server is predefined, we are just removing it. I have removed it to show you the demo, like how you can add a new server. So you are just clicking on the add button, select your that respective version and browse the folder wherever you have copied that Apache folder. So go to the C drive and search it. So after selecting that folder, just click on the finish. So now your new server has been added. Apply and close. So now we need to create a new Maven project for Spring Framework. Click on the file, new, and then Maven project. After clicking on the Maven project, just keep the settings by default and make sure this create a simple project. It should not be checked. So in the filter, we need to search for web app. So after searching for web app, you will get different links. You need to go to your web app link, your web app catalog. So it's here, Maven archetype web app version 1.4. So just click on the next. Here we need to give our own group ID. Group ID is basically a package structure, you can say, for any framework, for Spring framework. So we need to define our own group ID. Here I am defining for my own. You can define your own by changing this name, like com.spring.webapp. Instead of that, you can write something else. Like I have used com.tutorial for this project. This artifact ID, it is the project name basically which you are giving. So here I am giving the project name as Spring MVC 2. So we need to click on the finish. After clicking on the finish, it will take some time because it is downloading from the internet. You must have internet. So it will get downloaded. It has downloaded for me. So now it is showing an error in Java resources and src folder. So we'll remove this error. Right click on the project, and after clicking the right, just go to properties. Under the properties, we need to set a new server, that is Apache Tomcat v7. We need to check it under targeted runtimes. Okay, so then we need to apply and close it. So after closing it, we again need to right click on our project and run as. Click on the run as. After run as, click on the run on server, and then we will go to Apache Tomcat server. We have to select it and then finish. Yeah, that's it guys. Your project has been started. So thank you so much and have a nice day.